Hi friends, in this video we came with some important questions which are related to banking awareness. These questions may be asked in all the competitive exams like IBPS, SSC, banking, clerical and many other competitive exams. So now we will see the questions in detail. First question. Section 80E of the Income Tax Act provides for deduction of interest paid on education or study loan taken for higher education. Deduction under Section 80E is available for how many years? And the options are 8 years, 2 years, 10 years, 4 years. Correct answer is option 1. Section 80E is available for 8 years. Next one. If one is not satisfied with the decision passed by the banking ombudsman, one can approach the appellate authority. To which of the following? Options: Governor of RBI, Finance Secretary, Deputy Governor of the RBI, and fourth option, Finance Minister. Correct answer is option 3. Deputy Governor of the RBI. Next. What is stagflation? Options: inflation after deflations. Second, inflation with growth. Third, inflation with depression. And fourth, deflation with growth. Correct answer option 1. Inflation after deflations. Next. What is the minimum amount required to open a fixed deposit? Options: rupees 1000, second option rupees 10,000, third option rupees 500 and fourth rupees 100. Correct answer is option 1, rupees 1000. Next. In CDR, R stands for which of the following? Options: restructuring, option 2 ratio, third option reserve, and fourth regulation. Correct answer is option 1, restructuring. Next. Which among the following committee constituted on payment bank's license? Options: Deepak Mohanty, third. Second option AC Shan, third option Dr. Nachiket Moore, and fourth BD Thakur. Third option Dr. Nachiket Moore. Next. According to the proposal on PSL, what sub-target is to be created for micro enterprises in India by March 2017? Options: 8.50%, second option 7.50%, third 8%, and fourth option 7%. Correct answer is option 2, 7.50%. Next. In India, mutual funds are regulated by which of the following? Options: Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, Small Industrial Development Bank of India, and Securities and Exchange Board of India. Correct answer option 4, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Next. Which of the following institutions is responsible for the supervision of RRBs? Option: both A and B, second NABARD, third RBI, and fourth GOI. Correct answer is option 1, both A and B. Next. A savings as well as current account should be treated as inoperative or inactive if there are no transactions in the account for over a period of how many years? Options: 4, second option 2, third option 5, and fourth option 1. Correct answer is option 2, 2 years. Next. Sarfashi Act 2002 related to which of the following? Options: Equitization of small banks. Second option: Fixation of interest rate. Third: Regulation of foreign exchange. And fourth: Recovery of bad loans. Correct answer is option 4. Recovery of bad loans. Next. What is the full form of FCCB? Options: Future Credit and Currency Bureau, Foreign Currency Credit Bond, Financial Conservation of Credit Bureau, Foreign Currency Convertible Bond. Correct answer is option 4. FCCB stands for Foreign Currency Convertible Bond. Next. With which article of the Indian Constitution is money bill related? Options: Article 108, second option, Article 107, third, Article 109, and fourth, Article 110. Correct answer option 4, Article 110. Next. RBS Bank has been headquartered in which of the following? Skye, United Kingdom, Glasgow, United Kingdom, Aberdeen, United Kingdom, Edinburgh, United Kingdom. Correct answer option 4, Edinburgh, United Kingdom. Next. Which of the following can issue commercial paper for raising the short-term funds? Options: All India financial institutions, all of the following, primary dealers. Option 4, corporate. Correct answer is option 2, all of the following. Next. National Housing Bank, a wholly owned subsidiary of which of the following? Government of India, IRDAI, RBI, state government. Correct answer is option 3, RBI. Next. Which bank has become the first private sector bank to sell the Indian gold coins? Options: Dhanlakshmi Bank, second, IndusInd Bank, third, ICICI Bank, fourth, Federal Bank. Correct answer is option 4, Federal Bank. Next. NDTL stands for options: Net demand and time liability, second, net demand and time liquidity, third option, net demand and trade liquidity, fourth, net demand and term liability. Correct answer option 1, net demand and time liability. Next. Magnetic ink character recognition is a 9-digit code is used mainly by the banking industry to ease the processing and clearance of checks and other documents. The first 3 digits represents which of the following? And the options: branch, second option, city, third option, state, and fourth option, bank. Correct answer is option 2, city. Last one. Headquarters of National Investment and Infrastructural Fund is located at which place? Options: New Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata. Correct answer is option 3, Mumbai.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.